A little bit unexpected, but hi, and welcome back. Tonight be kind of a mashup of things. First, got the hood up on the Camaro. We're gonna try to fire it up, see how it runs, make sure there's no weird noises or anything that I should be concerned with, because it's been sitting for a little while and there's no engines. If you don't turn them over regularly, they kind of fall apart. I'm gonna do that to Camaro. Then we're going to hop over to the Healey, pull that stuff off the hood, and try to get it just to turn over. I'm not looking for it to start, but just get it turned over would be nice, so I know the engine's free. And then we might come back here to the truck and button up the, put the hard lines on and the injectors in and call it a day. So let's get to it. Ready, what's on the seat?
What?
What's on the seat? The Camaro fired up. I don't know if you can hear me very well. It's pretty loud out there, but I'm gonna take you over there and show you what the inside of it looks like now. I guess moisture has gotten in there and starting to grow mold all over my dash and steering wheel. But we'll run over there, I'll show you it and let it run for just a little bit. So let's head over there and look. I don't know if you can see, but that's mold all over my dash. Probably just need to take that dash pad completely off and come in here and clean it really good. Might do a video just on that, so you know it's like this. But all in all, it sounds pretty good, I think. There's a little noise that I'm not too happy with. If y'all can hear it, let me know what you think. Next will be the Healey. Need to move this stuff off the hood. Battery goes in the back. Can't tell, I got a bunch of junk back there right now because the Bronco had to be moved over. So battery goes in the back. I'll try to get that in there. I'm probably gonna jump in the Bronco and try to just turn it so the engine will spin. I may spray some go-go juice in the carburetor and see if we can't get it to fire off for a minute. Anyways, let me move all this stuff right quick and we'll See, this one will turn over. That did a whole lot better than I expected. Actually seems like it might be a pretty decent little runner. If I can get it all the stuff back in it. Yeah, I think carbs need some cleaning and all the other stuff, but it wants to run, which surprises me. But all right, got the fan off, which was pretty easy. I expected to have a lot more trouble with it. Not sure how this belt got here. It's back behind the other belt and behind this. Oh, it was easy enough. It seems to be a little bit too loose. There's some bolts here. There's some nuts. We got the hard lines in. They're all tightened down and clamped back down. So I'm gonna wait on the hoses until I get some more of those, these little clamps. We got this side back down as well. Like I said, I gotta wait until I get those. Here's Mr. Boyd with a cat time. Hope we don't pull that in the garage door to slam shut. I don't think that'll do it for me tonight. Kind of a weird video. Kind of mishmashed some projects, but at least we got the Camaro started. We have mold we need to take care of in it. I guess the window's leaking, and I probably need to roll the windows down, let it air out. But I need to get some cleaner to clean that off, because that's pretty nasty. And but it does run. Weird thing going on with the engine, Healey turns over, so we're good there. Got a little bit more done on the engine on this side, or on this project. Like I said, we're waiting on a starter, and then hopefully that will kick it over. I may try to put a little diesel with it. See if, I don't know, thinking ahead. Do need to get an oil change for this, haven't done that yet. But everything's looking good. Hopefully next week or so. Rafters. Hopefully next week or two we'll get the welder in. We can start finishing up the front on the truck. You can't jump off that. What are you doing? Cat up in my lights. Oh no. Hey. Come here. Just found another can of rust reformer. Here. Here. You coming? Come on. A little bit unexpected, but anyways, got them down. Sorry about that. That's kind of stuff we usually work on small vehicles and such. If you're new to the channel, please like, comment, subscribe. Does help the channel out a lot. Plan on having this running here hopefully within the next few months, and driving by next summer next year is my plan. Anyways, I lost my train of thought with trying to get the cat down, and we'll get one of them running here soon. But I'll catch you next time.